Hey everyone, Zach over here from South Houston Nissan. Just want to talk to you a little bit about our new 2021 Nissan Altima S 2.5. So first on the insides, we're going to go talk about a little bit of our steering wheel, okay? So what comes standard now is we're going to have our hands-free calling right here. We're going to have our cruise control on settings set. Then over here we're going to have our navigation through our systems menus, which is going to be right there. Then also we're going to have our Bluetooth volume. That's right folks, Bluetooth volume. We can go in and out, connected to pair to any of your smartphone devices. So we're going to go ahead and talk about the outside just a little bit. Alright, so right over here, we're going to go ahead and talk about our engine, okay? It's going to be a 4-cylinder 2.5 engine, alright? The mileage we're getting here on this car, it's going to be anywhere between 28 city and about 38 highway, okay? I don't know about y'all, but that screams making road time fly for me, okay? Alright, good deal. So right over here, we have our brand new front camera and our new front sensors that have just been updated 2021, alright? Come see us over here at South Nissan Houston, alright? Thank you.